What is it with Karnataka politics and sleaze CDs and videos? Time and again, these sleaze videos hit the headlines just ahead of elections, be it Assembly or Lok Sabha. This time, the target is former Prime Minister Deve Gowda's grandson Prajwal Revanna, who finds himself entangled in this controversy. A purported video of Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna surfaced online just a day before the voting. The sleazy video has been circulated widely on social media. Meanwhile, Prajwal's election agent has filed a police complaint against a man named Naveen Gowda and others for circulating morphed videos of the JDS leader. The complaint claims that the videos were being circulated through pen drives, WhatsApp to put Prajwal in a bad light. An FIR has been registered in the case and the police have launched an investigation. Prajwal Revanna is the grandson of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda and son of former Minister and MLA H.D. Revanna. Prajwal Revanna is fielded as the NDA candidate from Hassan against Congress's Shreyas Patel. The voting for Hassan Lok Sabha seat will take place on April 26. The indecent videos of politicians in Karnataka have led to political turmoil in the state, destroying some of their careers. Several such incidents have come to light in the past. Here are a few instances where netas across parties have become targets of sleaze politics. One recent incident was that of former minister and BJP MLA Ramesh Jarkiholi. The sleaze video involving Ramesh Jarkiholi was released in March 2021. He was forced to resign as Water Resources Minister, causing embarrassment to the then BJP government. A special investigation team was formed to investigate the case. The woman in the video accused Jarkiholi of exploiting her by promising her a job. Meanwhile, Jarkiholi blamed Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, an alleged conspiracy against him. The MLA made several attempts to rejoin the Basavaraj Bommai's cabinet but in vain. Ramesh Jarkiholi was away from politics for more than 6 months before he again became active. Immediately after a CD of Ramesh Jarkiholi was leaked, 6 other the then ministers approached the court and got a media gag order in fear of being defamed. All these ministers had switched parties to help B.S. Yediyurappa become Chief Minister in 2019. The turncoats were popularly known as Bombay Boys as they were kept in a hotel in Mumbai after they resigned as MLAs. The 6 ministers who had got the injunction order were Shivram Hebbar, B.C. Patil, S.T. Somashekar, K. Sudhakar, K.C. Narayana Gowda and Bhairathi Basavaraj. Dr. K. Sudhakar is now contesting Lok Sabha elections from Chikballapur seat on the BJP ticket. The 6 leaders had claimed that a conspiracy was being hatched to defame them. Congress leader H.Y. Meti was forced to resign as excise minister in December 2016 after the purported video of the minister with the woman went viral. The minister alleged conspiracy and resigned from his post after pressure from the opposition. Meti claimed innocence and alleged conspiracy against him. A CID probe was ordered into the case. After the probe, the CID gave a clean chit to Meti. The original video reportedly went missing after the video went viral. Meti contested the election from the Bagalkot Assembly constituency and was defeated. However, Meti was re-elected as an MLA from the same seat in the 2023 Assembly constituency. 3 Karnataka ministers were forced to resign after they were caught watching a porn clip during the Assembly session. Lakshman Savadi, C.C. Patil and Krishna Palemar submitted to resignation to the then Chief Minister D.V. Sadanand Gowda in 2012. The incident had become a national topic for discussion. The ministers had defended their act by claiming that it was for educational purpose. The ministers were caught on camera of a regional channel watching indecent videos. The Karnataka government in subsequent years banned the private channel cameras inside the assembly. Out of the 3 leaders, 2 of them became ministers in 2019. Lakshman Savadi went on to become the Deputy Chief Minister. Savadi joined Congress in 2023 after he was denied a ticket from BJP. C.C. Patil is the sitting MLA from Nargund. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.